I used to think vinegar was just a condiment for my salads, but oh boy, was I wrong. Incorporating vinegar into my diet has been a game changer. Not only does it add a zing to my meals, but it also comes with a plethora of health benefits. First off, vinegar is a powerhouse when it comes to aiding digestion. It helps break down food in our stomachs, making it easier for our bodies to absorb essential nutrients. Plus, it can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great addition for those looking to manage their glucose levels. But wait, there's more. Vinegar is known for its ability to promote weight loss. Studies have shown that consuming vinegar can increase feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake and ultimately helping with weight management. It's like a secret weapon in the battle of the bulge. And let's not forget about the amazing antioxidant properties of vinegar. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in our bodies, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. It's like a natural shield protecting our cells from damage. But perhaps one of the most surprising benefits of vinegar is its potential to improve heart health. It can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, ultimately decreasing the risk of heart disease. Who knew a simple ingredient like vinegar could have such a profound impact on our cardiovascular health? So, next time you reach for that bottle of vinegar, remember it's not just for flavor. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. From aiding digestion to promoting weight loss and improving heart health, vinegar is truly a versatile and underrated superfood that deserves a place in everyone's diet.